So I'm trying to figure out what in the world these birds are out here for. My dogs keep chasing them off and they keep all coming back. So magpies and which makes me think maybe there's something dead out here. I don't know. It makes me nervous. Sorry, I just one on too. Hi, you guys. They think I'm gonna give them grain. I'm coming to see what you guys are looking at. What are you looking at? Hi. That white-faced one is new. Hi. And so is the one right next to her. That's why they're running away. They're like, what? Those two are brand new. Just got them yesterday. So what in the world is out here? Okay, so we have this hole right here. I thought I would see something dead, but there's nothing, so I don't know. There's this hole right here. Ooh, this is leery. Yep, something's living in there, and it looks like it just backed down in. I don't know if you can tell how big that is. See the hole? I wonder what it nabbed and went down in. All the birds are wanting. Hey, Luna, get out of there. Oh, you stinker. Why would you want to go down into the middle of that? Look what's sunning theirself. Can you see that? Can you see those? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are beautiful. Can you see them? Let's see if I can zoom out. My zoom lens is not the best. Luna! Luna, honey! Go back. I don't want them to attack you. This isn't listen the best. Okay, he's starting to tuck his wings away because he thinks I'm a threat now. What in the world is that? Oh, you guys are stinkers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 of them. Hey, Alice. They're scavengers down here looking for things to eat. All on the top of all those posts. Well, there's 7. There's 1 right next to that one. There goes my dogs, my protectors. Well, they're never gonna get that bird. Here comes another one. When do they figure out they're not gonna be able to get that bird? Oh, there goes another one. We still have 4 more down there. You would think that we had something dead on the property down here. Oh, there's 1 also right there on that one, and there's 1 right there on that one. I cannot believe how many of those are out here. Okay, my little fluffy white dog thinks she's gonna be out there. Look at him. There they go, there's 3. There goes the 4th. Oh, I think they're ravens. Crows. And there's still 2 more. Are they gonna try to go after her? Oh my gosh. She goes right up to the base of the pole. Well, that's beautiful. See him flying around like that. All 4 of those. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Alright, well, I don't see anything dead. I was thinking that I would. For sure. But that was just pretty, I guess. We definitely have something in that hole because we were down here yesterday fixing the fence, and stuff has been moved. So we have a creature. I am not sure what. But he uses this little path so much that it's, and dug out his area, that this is his, I don't know what he, like, field dirt, because he keeps digging down in there and shoving all of his dirt up here and refilling this up. So we do need to figure out what kind of a creature is in there before the dogs try to go in. Hey, no. But there's no feathers or anything like that. Yesterday we saw blood on the other side of the property, like over by that fence line, a trail of blood. But we did see 1 white feather, so I think that it might have been a bird. Somebody ate a bird. It'll take a little while to get these cows used to our property. Or us. The cows that we bought from him before still don't. They have Angus in them, and so they are not the friendliest. Good morning. How are you guys doing today? Did you have a good night? My longhorns are the friendliest things. I mean, they're a little skittish, but they're super friendly. Super fun. Hi, Red Velvet. Are you mad at us because we kept you in the fence? You couldn't go see your new friend? Huh? Are you mad because you couldn't go see your new friend? Hi, honey. Hi. I'm glad to see you in our fence, though, this morning. Thursday and Friday and Saturday and Sunday, she was a escape artist. A couple times on their side and a couple times in our backyard, where she ruined my chicken tractor, didn't ya? And ate all my baby chicken feed. Sure are pretty, aren't you? Yes, you are. Beautiful girl. Look. Hi, are you jealous? Sienna's coming to get petted. She likes to whack me with her horns. Good morning, lady. She takes this horn and hits me with it. I don't know what we're gonna do about that when it gets larger. So she's like, ooh, that feels so good, and then she thumps me with that horn. Ooh, careful. You're swinging them. Yep, you're starting to swing your horns. I don't like it. Hi, you guys. Sometimes I think you're super friendly, and then other times you make me nervous, so. Hi, girls. Hi, girls. Good morning. You're gonna poke her eye out. See, they get jealous. Oops, see, then she hits me with her horn. Okay, I gotta get out so you don't keep whacking me. I gotta get out. If I stand there and pet her, they get more jealous with each other, and then I end up getting whacked. So I just, I gotta get out so you don't whack me, and I don't have the right shoes on. I don't want to get stepped on. Just kind of trying to be cautious is all. All right. Now my feet are behind the fence so I don't get stepped on. Okay, I gotta go get my stuff done today. You ladies have a good day.